Hello YouTube, just wanted to show you another 2x72 belt grinder I've just finished. Well, it's not totally finished because I haven't got a motor for it as yet. But I don't know if you've seen my other video on the blue one I've made, which is there. But I've scaled this one down a little bit and done the tracking wheel slightly different. I'll put a link to my other video at the top so you can go and have a little look, or at the bottom maybe. My videoing skills are not the best, but basically all the red frame and the two arms are all stainless steel, 30mm and 25mm. The spring has come off of a child's trampoline, you know, the type that go all the way around the outside of the trampoline, nice and strong. The tracking wheel, just adjust it there, up and down. I've done it up a little bit stiff, but the belt, I'll push that down. My work rest. And I've just got a bit of flat bar, 6mm bar. My snooker ball handle, pull it down. I've measured it, I've got about, once it's down at that angle, I've roughly got about 35 pound pressure on there, on the wheel, which is ample. So all I need to do now is try and find a motor for this. Adjustable plating on it. This one is actually going to be for sale. I have got another what they call a thumb screw to go on to this one. At the moment I just got that in there. I wanted to make this one to basically try out this idea with the tracking arm wheel. As on my blue one, as you'll see on my other video, I've used the other idea which I'm not really that fussed on, so this one might be altered. Well, actually I think I am going to alter it. So it's very similar to this style, and put a couple of gas rams on there. But it's all nice and strong and solid. And it's a bit lighter than the blue one I've made. Thanks for watching.